Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Italy. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and if you're gonna register through the link, you will get $10 for free of Bitcoin. That's really great. When you're gonna register, first name, last name, email, password, you can just simply see the Bitcoin here, and then you're gonna buy for €100. Buy Bitcoin. Yes, through Tatra or like your own bank, your wallet, and preview buy, and then you just simply buy now, or you can simply then sell it. And when you're gonna do it, click on portfolio, and you can simply withdraw the money. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can simply buy Bitcoin in Italy. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and goodbye. See you.